standing tall? Or do you see the cracks that crawl through the face I show at night? Shadows whisper truths unkind. I hide from them, but they still find the lies I told, the peace I sighed to keep my conscience blind. But when the moonlight fades and my mask slips away, can I face you, mirror, mirror? Or will the shame grow clearer, clearer? If my heart's a thief, if my soul's a sinner, then what's left of me tomorrow? Mirror, mirror, can you stay? Will you break or will you sway? If I can't stand the light of day, what am I but hollow? Choices made, the paths I take, they echo loud when I awake. Did I walk with truth or fake the peace I claim to own?